amateur 600 sport bike final. Number 14, the 15-year-old Jody Christie on the pole. The MPM array starting lights go green, the field away. Martin Grand, got into contact there with the number 5 machine of Ernie. Marcel Ernie and number 898 Martin Grand, a little bit of bumping there on the start, but the pole sitter 14, Jody Christie, gets a great start, and he'll lead the field into turn number 1. We got a lot of shuffling of positions back of Christie as they run down through this turn 2 and 3 combination at the south end of the racetrack.
Sean Huffman jumping to second place from way back in the pack on the brakes. Brilliant maneuver there in turn 1. You can see some of our amateur riders were much more confident on their braking zone heading into turn 1 on the first lap. Remember, that drag strip run from the start is a little different than coming out of the last turn. Meanwhile, you got to be impressed with the pace of Christie. He is flying right off the bat, trying to break away from this big pack of amateurs.
That was a great start by Huffman, number 777. He came off of the second row. So the Kemptville, Ontario rider now running in second. Christie on the Yamaha leads, and that is West Bank, British Columbia rider Marcel Ernie on that green Kawasaki, currently sitting back in the third place spot.
Christie making the most of that R6, really putting the power down well, and now you can see we've had a shuffle. We've had Marks move up to second, and now a good battle developing for third.
That's a great move up by Patrick Marks, the local rider from Calgary, in second. And now we've got a whale of a three-way battle for that third place spot, number 898. Here comes Huffman, 777, will grab third into turn 1. But Martin Grand on the outside, and Ernie goes through on the inside. So the third place rider there, 777, Sean Huffman out of Kemptville, Ontario, gets shuffled from third all the way back into fifth. And now Ernie on the Kawasaki going right after Martin Grand, number 898, the Quebec rider, who is a rookie in this series, having won the Suzuki SV650 championship a year ago.
Huffman starting to fade off the pace a bit, and now we have a classic slipstreaming battle between the GSXR and the Kawasaki ZX6R. There you can see Ernie pulling out to work the draft early on the back straight.
Ernie up alongside of Martin Grand into turn 1, and the British Columbia rider will retake that third place position, but here comes Grand back around on the inside. He will retake third, and these two riders have been going at it all race long, and it got going right off the start when they banged fairings heading down the straightaway.
You can see Marks go by there holding a safe second, and boy, is he glad not to be part of the race for third, because these guys are going full tilt. Right, once again, Grand holding the spot, and here comes Ernie.
And Ernie is in the draft. He'll look for the pass on the brakes going to turn number 1. And yes, the British Columbia rider on the Kawasaki in a third. But here comes Martin Grand, the Montreal, Quebec rider, has pushed his Suzuki back around the Kawasaki in a third.
Now we're back to the front, and here is Christie, who has put on a master class. Very impressive for a 15-year-old, pulling away, breaking the spirit of the amateur pack. Look at the pace on the last lap. He is still hammered down, pushing really, really hard. Brilliant effort, and only a few turns to go before he takes his first career national victory.
And of course, Jody Christie, who was second in the opening round at Calabogie on his backup bike. Crew chief Jim Brooks rebuilt this 2008 Yamaha, and it has been very fast all weekend long. Christie has topped the practice and the qualifying charts, and here he is, one corner away from his first Armor Bodies Amateur 600 Sport Bike National win, and there it is for the 15-year-old out of Keene, Ontario.
So Christie is confirmed as our winner. Meanwhile, Marks, sort of the forgotten man of this race, is a very strong second, now back on his own bike after renting a bike to compete in Calabogie. He's made the podium at both of our nationals so far this season. Looking at the rest of the top 10, lots of good action. Swain, Horvath, Genevieve Lessier in 8th, Martinez and La Prairie complete our top 10 here in Calgary.
Oh wow, he lost his rear tire coming out of the chute there, and then I just shot past him. I was afraid he was going to hit me. And then coming out of the box, I did the same thing and almost lost it. So it was a battle to the end. He kept getting me in corner 2, and I kept getting him on the brakes. It was quite the battle.
So I pushed hard on the first lap for get the second place. I did time not too bad, but we are too closer with Jody, so he was best today.
My dad gave me pretty good signals, and I had the lap timer on there, so I knew I was staying consistent, at least until the end. I started to fade a bit, but I just tried to keep my cool and keep the bike up. I'm just going to try to have a consistent season and my dad's been keeping the bikes working awesome, and it's just great.
A second and a first put Christie atop the standings. Meanwhile, Braun goes with a first and a fourth. Good enough for second overall from Marks, Huffman, and Horvath as we set up for our third round of the series at Mosport. Looking at the rest of the top 10, Martinez, Lessier, Ernie, who's only done one round, Gaudreau, and La Prairie complete our running order after 2 rounds.